Hey family, welcome back to your channel. So I'm coming on here. I'm gonna hop on camera in the front in just a second, but I'm gonna quickly show you the progress that was made today so far. This might be actually the last update that you guys will see in the house. Okay, so what's today? Today's Thursday that I'm filming this video. Tomorrow, Friday, starts our official in jail time. It starts our official jail time in the house. So it's a lot still left to do, but a lot has been done. So we have until 5 p.m. tomorrow. Literally. Well, I have until 5 p.m. tomorrow to get this done, kind of, sort of, so that the tenants can move in here. I am not done. It's I don't even know what time it is right now, but it's crunch time. All of the cabinetry was supposed to have been painted. This has been painted, though. But the cabinetry was supposed to get a new coat of paint. I don't know if that's gonna happen. I hung up this rod for vertical blinds, which are right here, but I have to take it down because it needs to be mounted on the frame instead of on the wall. So it has to come down. My mom came over here and did like some major deep cleaning stuff for us today. So that still needs to be painted. The crown molding needs to be painted, as well as the trim work inside of that little window is left. We have to go get plate covers for all the plates. Blocks still need to be fixed. She trimmed this up. Well, she still got the tape in here. Cheyenne, you know the tape in here, right? Yeah. So, this is this room here. I installed all the carpet today. This room is done, except she needs to take the blue tape off. And again, the kick plates needs to be added back. And then, let me show you. I need to put light fixtures up still. Here's this room. It's completely done. Did I show y'all the fixture that I went with? Very renter friendly. Very inexpensive. Flora's transition strips turned out really nice. Really, really nice. This room still has to have a light fixture put in it. Started painting in here today. The bathroom still needs to be done. And this room has been completely painted today. So the ceiling and the walls have been painted. That bathroom floor needs to be changed. The other bathroom floor needs to be changed. That didn't get done. New toilet seats. That bathroom needs to be painted, top and bottom, and a lot. I don't know who they think can do that before 5 o'clock. Like, seriously. You can't even see the wall, but that's where the hole was. If you remember earlier in this week, I patched the hole right there. The blinds are over there for this window. That needs to be hung. Like the other rooms. Nothing has been done in the basement. Nothing at all. We have a bunch of flooring that supposed to go down there that looks similar to this. Is it downstairs, Cheyenne? Yeah. Or still in the back of the truck? It's down there. Okay, let's go down. Oh man, I got this. Hold on. I got the oh, wait a minute. Okay, so all this was supposed to be painted. All this was, this is from when I stayed here, if y'all remember that. But all of this, this was going to be changed out. That door still needs to be hung. This is leftover carpet. So these floors were coming up here. All the floors down here. It did get cleaned up down here. I don't know if y'all can tell. This is like old times, right? Window still boarded up. So everything you see on the floor was to be changed out. I needed to put something over there. You know what? I was looking for a cord today. I forgot that was down here. Yeah, all this was supposed to be painted and done. Here's the floor that I'm installing down here. This is another type of peel and stick. Look at this one. Look at that. Look at that. These are longer strips right here. Can you see? This is what is going in the bathroom. This is the floor that's already upstairs that I installed. So this is some more for the bathrooms. And then this is the one that'll be down here. So this carpet, not this is the remnant. I mean the leftover, but the carpet there needs to come up. This floor was coming up, and this is what it was going to be applied down here with the same color walls as upstairs. And this floor, let me add a couple more. Hold on, wait a minute. Okay, now try to envision this minus the green lines, which is the sticky back. Picture that. Just try to show you just that part so you don't get confused with the blonde floor. Picture this throughout the entire basement. All over there. All the way over there. Just this right here. Fresh coat of paint. And yeah, that's about it. Let me show you back here. Everything's been cleaned up and Cloroxed down back here where it was Poopville. So that floor was going to extend all the way back here. It's been just cleaned. Y'all remember the office was here? Oh, this is like memory lane, right? I've had the office over here before. This was a guest bedroom one time. This is the old boutique. Had to rip down the drywall right there. I think that was done before. When was that done? It's been a minute. Still got mirrors up there from the boutique. Those lights were put down here too. Anyway, this is what the basement looks like. Right here. The old boutique, girl. That floor was going to be... Actually, you know what? I think she wanted to keep this floor. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe she did, or I can't remember. Anyway, this is where we are. So literally... a whole nother house down here to be done. And that's what it looks like. That area is underneath the stairs right here. And I'm standing over here in this far corner here. So many haul videos went down here. It just went down here. Oh, so much hosting. What else did we do? So many chit chats, but more hauls than chit chats. Just all kinds of good stuff happened here for a lot of us. This is where we met, honey. Back here, down here, in this house. Straight memory lane. Let me put these blinds down. Okay. So much work to do for them to be quarantining people and stuff. I'm over it. But look at this floor. One more time, honey. This is what it was going to be down here. And these are the boxes of it. We still need about, I feel like, another 500 square feet worth. Or maybe more than that, I don't know. But this is what's upstairs. And we're going in the bathrooms right here. So, let's go back upstairs. Oh, and I have to change out that light and this light for the same, these lights right here, which are the ones that I put upstairs. Super cheap, standard, renter friendly, honey, okay? And I forgot how much I put. You get 6 lights in this box. This is some landlord type stuff. So much stuff. So much. Let me turn this off. Let me show you what daughter is doing. Oh, my sweet girl. Why? You using the bathroom? Huh? You is not. Okay, maybe you are. Maybe you are doing something.
I thought I felt a bug go down my shirt. So
Oh, no. What kind of bug?
I don't know, but I know I stripped this shirt off and yanked it off.
You peeling off the stuff now? Off the tape? Do you feel like we accomplished a lot today? Do you feel like we've accomplished a lot this week?
Yeah.
We started on this project on Saturday, I think. We started our pricing stuff Saturday, right? Mm-hmm. Today is Thursday, and I started filming day one.
Sunday.
So we started Sunday, but I started filming day one. So it's been Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I mean, girl, I'm tired. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, today's Thursday. So 5 days. We, as a 2-woman show, done a cruise worth of work.
Right.
And I'm still feeling like we ain't done nothing. I do. I just feel like, ugh. How do you like the carpet?
I like it. It reminds me of something, though. I can't think of it.
Something like what, ma'am? This is a
kid-friendly carpet.
Oh, for sure. Hides all the stains.
Yes.
Hides all the stains, girl.
Yep.
This how a landlord do. You go with what won't get destroyed so bad. That's all. Look at this floor here. Look at this. This looks so stinking good. I'm loving the transition. Y'all know Sharon loves some carpet, girl. I got to have carpet, okay? I do a little bit of this, but I'm a carpet girl at heart. And then this floor is coming up. And you ain't painted the ceiling in here. You just did, all the doors have been painted. The ceiling needs to be painted. The nail pops need to be fixed. It's so much to do. Let me turn you guys around. Let me put you on the tripod. Hold up. Y'all. Oh my goodness. I done broke this tripod. But let's come in here. Well, we got some light. Yeah, let me turn you this way so we can be like old times. This is old time Sharon, honey. Don't mind the paint. Don't mind the paint, okay? Pepsi, still. Hey family, welcome back to your channel. This channel, the show, the 2-woman show. I feel like y'all are so far away. I don't have a coffee maker over here to make us a cup of coffee. Sure, well, actually, listen. This is some coffee I had from this morning at McDonald's. It's good and cold. But it's like old times. So I'm actually about to head on back to the penthouse and make out an extensive power to-do list for tomorrow. And I'm just going to get as much done as I can tomorrow in that little window of time that I'm working with. I mean, that's all I can do. I'm stressing out a little bit because I just want it to be, I wanted a complete project to share with y'all. But that does not look like it's going to happen. So, courtesy of that virus. The virus. I don't know, did I show y'all the blinds? Did y'all just happen to see them? I installed those blinds there and then the 2 bedrooms. So, I need to put one in here. So much to do. And literally forced to not have the time to do it. I don't think I want to get quarantined in this empty home here. I don't think I do. So, did you see the new fridge over here? Black fridge instead of a white one to complement the black microwave and the black glass front on the stove. Did I show? Well, I think I showed y'all before. What's in here? Too. It's not the best lighting at all, but just in case you count. So y'all, this might be it for this little house episode. Maybe I can show you whatever I end up doing tomorrow, which probably won't look much different than today, I don't think. But I'll try to bring you a final episode, unless this might be the final, I don't know. We shall see. Thank you guys for tuning in and coming along the little process with me and the journey as always. Back to the place where it all began. It's very familiar here. Anywho, I'm glad it's going to be filled with the family. Lots and lots of love, happy cheer, and holidays, and just, life beyond the virus. I'm excited about that. I'm excited for the house's new journey, to be honest with you. She looks good. This old girl still had some good bones. She looks real good. She looks good. Yeah. Shane, you got in trouble a lot here in this house, didn't you, my friend? Shane? I said you got in trouble a lot here in your childhood home, didn't you? Just,